Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking droid K-2SO from Star Wars Rogue One. So I'm gonna start out with a quick sketch, be shown at 2 speed, and then I will be right back to show you how to draw this line by line. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So let's get started. So this one's actually pretty easy to draw, and it's a pretty cool looking character. So let's start off with his head. I'm going to draw in just one line across. I'm going to draw the top portion first. And then here on the side, just go up. And then from these 2 points, just curve all the way around. So this is going to be the top of his head. And then for his eyes right here, just draw 2 circles, one on each side. They're kind of further apart. And then on the inside, just one more circle, a little bit smaller. Okay, and let me shade this in real quick. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then now for his face, just come down the side right here. Draw 2 little lines and then just kind of pinch it inwards. This would be his jaw, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, and then for the mouth area right here, I'm just gonna draw almost like a square right in the middle of this line right here. Actually, it's more like a rectangle. And then on the top here, I'm going to draw one line across. And actually, let me shade that in real quick as well. Okay, and then inside here, this is actually like a square. So just draw a little bracket like this to make a square on the bottom. And then I'm going to add 2 lines here. So this is his mouth. Okay, and then for some details in here, just come down and just draw a line going into the mouth. Alright, so let's keep it like that. Nice and simple, and then now let's move on to the body. So for his neck right here, just come down and then draw a curve going this way. And then right here, I'm going to draw a circle, but starting here. So this is almost like the center of the circle. I'm going to go up here. Let's draw a circle all the way around. Okay, and then from here, we can finish this out. Draw 2 lines like this and then just go straight down. Okay, I know it looks a little bit strange right here, but hopefully it will look better once we finish out the body. So I'm going to start back up here. This would be his shoulders coming out. And then from this point here, just kind of curve out like this. And then on the side, this will be straight. Okay, and then the center right here, come back over here. Just draw a little curve, half circle. And then on this point, just go straight down. Just come down to here and then just close it off. Okay, so let's keep going down and finish up the bottom portion first. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna slant in and then close it off. So this is gonna be the hip area. And then right here, just slant out. And then follow the same slant as this line here. Slant down and then just close it off. Okay, and then for some details inside right here, just gonna add like a little box. And there's a lot more details inside, but we'll just leave it like this for now. Alright, so let's come back up here and finish up the shoulder, and then we'll draw his arms. So right here on the corner, we'll just slant down, past this line here, and then come straight down, and then close this off with a little bit of a slant. And for some details here, I'm just going to add 1 line on the outside and then 1 more line on the inside. So this one's going to be straight, so just go right into that curve. Okay, so now let's draw in his arms, and for the joint here, just a little rectangle. This one's easy. And his arm is very long, but it's actually very easy to draw. So I'm going to extend this line here. Just go up past this. And then on the outside, we'll just curve down. And then just close that off. Okay, and then for the bicep. So this is really easy. Just extend it, rectangle. And then right here, this is going to be the elbow. Just draw a box. And then 2 lines in the center. Okay, so let's draw in the other side. So we'll extend this. So just try to keep the same length as the other side. Curve down. Close it off, and then same thing here. Just extend it, just a big rectangle. And then a square for the elbow. And then 2 lines in the center. Okay, and then for his hand, so we're all the way right around here. So for his arm, it's gonna be pretty far down. It's gonna pass the hip over here. So right here, I'm just gonna pinch it in. Close it off. And then for the wrist right here, I'm just gonna add like a little circle inside. One more circle inside, and then for the hand, I'm gonna draw a little box or a rectangle. We'll keep this simple. Just draw another rectangle coming out. That's gonna be his thumb. And then for this one, we'll just go angle, angle, just 2. And then just draw another one, same thing, and just close it off. Okay, so let's draw the same thing on the other side. Just kind of taper in. Just use the other side for reference. Same thing here. Circle and then circle inside. And then we'll add 1 rectangle on the bottom. Rectangle coming down for the thumb, and then 1, 2. And then just close that out. And we can add another finger here if you like, just a little joint. Alright, so now for his legs, and his legs are very easy as well. Let's start out right here. I'm just gonna draw like a little slant like this, almost the same as that, but a little bit closer in. So just draw 2 slant like this first. And then just draw 2 lines connecting them. Alright, so let's start on the inside here. We'll slant out. And then on the outside, just kind of come out a little bit and then come almost straight down. And then close it off flat. So just come out slightly. And then go almost straight down. Okay, and then for some details right here, I'll just add 1 line. So these are easy. Okay, and then for the lower legs, here's his knee. So it's kind of the same as the elbow here. Just draw almost like a box and then 2 lines in the center. So these are his joints. Okay, and then now we'll just extend this line here so it's pretty straight. Just follow the same line, and as you're going down, it should be a little bit tighter. Okay, close that off, and then just 1 little box here on the bottom. Okay, so same thing on this side. Okay, and then for the foot, it's very simple. Just come down, and then this one's gonna slant out, and then just close it off flat. And then from this corner, just draw the same slant as this. Okay, so it makes it look a little bit more 3-dimensional. So this one's gonna go straight down. This one's gonna slant out, close it off flat. come to this corner, same slant as this. And that is it for this K2SO. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.